Where are we, Elizabeth?
Pelican.
Where are we?
Pelican City.
I thought we were in Panama City.
No, look up. That's Panama City. This is Pelican City.
Having transited the Panama Canal, we were now on the Pacific side of Panama City. We had friends to meet in the Galapagos, so our plan was for a very quick provision run and we'd be off. But then disaster struck. Okay, I'm going up the mast just to inspect stuff before we cross the ocean, and I just found a massive problem. This is one of our diamonds. It's not our, oh, it's actually a primary. Right there, the metal is cracked, which is absolutely not acceptable if you're going to cross an ocean. I don't know if it's over tightened. We're going to have to get that fixed. And that's a big problem. That means we are now going to have to find somebody in Panama City, and we'll be late to the Galapagos. We'll miss our friends. And the cost alone, too. We found a rigger and ordered 2 new lowers. It's best to replace them together even if only one is broken, but it would be a minimum of 3 weeks until they arrived. So, with time to kill, we tried to have as much fun as we could in Panama City, which wasn't that hard. Everyone go, he's got it.
You're going the wrong way.
Come on, Mom, we're gonna go on a walk.
Reese, if you're staring, you really have to pay attention.
1 out of 10. How do you rate it? How was the bike ride?
10.
10.
5.
We have a big discrepancy here. 5?
5.
Why 5?
I just hurt my legs 2 times.
Oh, come on. 10?
10.
I'd say it was a 10. That was kind of fun. Very touristy, but fun. I don't know. We're at Carnival. What do you guys think? Cheers, what do you think? Good? Here we are, Carnival.
Okay, wait, let me take it.
That's pretty cool, huh, Paris? So we are soaking up city life. Oh, we're in no man's land. Having fun. Oh, just the one missed. Woo, nice job. Pierce is winning right now. So this is the, come here. This is the Albrook Mall. Do you like the mall? The Albrook Mall in Panama. Pretty nice, actually. Pretty good. We like Panama City. Oh, you almost got a ball! Aye. So it's good to be back on a beach. Man, it's been a while. We just figured it out. There was one beach day in the Dominican Republic and one beach day in Puerto Rico. And then it was the USVIs. That was the last time we were on a beach. So it's been a long time. We went to Jamaica and in Kingstown, no beach. Came to Cologne, Panama, no beach. Went through the canal, no beach. Panama City is just a city. The water is disgusting. You would not want it. We made water really questionable. But now we're Las Perlas Islands, the Pearl Islands of Panama. This is a major weekend spot for Panama Cityans, if that's what they call them. And it's really beautiful. So over there is Archer. It was a total bummer. We had great 20-knot winds on the beam. Could have been zipping along at 11, 12 knots. But because of our rigging issue, we had to motor. So we motored here. Too fast for even the cameras.
Baby! Stop, ready? Stop. Tea. Of course. Decorating the campfire, if you must know.
Campfire tonight. You'd have been a good cave woman.
Oh! I'm gonna take that as a compliment.
Reese, do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is kind of cool. We actually were dinghying back to our boat, and we saw this dinghy like faintly in the light through the flashlight, say 200 meters, 200 yards back behind the boat. And we found somebody's 10-foot dinghy with a 15-foot Yamaha horsepower. So I'm gonna go around the anchorage and try and find the owner. But I don't know, it's kind of cool. Like this is such a big deal. If you don't boat, your dinghy drifts off your boat, it's gone. Like it drifts in the wind and current. It is going to be very hard to find in the morning. So the fact we found this now, probably it's spread out. Like the fact we found it in the dark is pretty cool. So hopefully we'll find the owner. Anybody aboard? Are you guys missing a dinghy? Are you missing a dinghy?
Wow.
Are you the, are you Oases?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man, thank you.
We found your dinghy.
Oh,
Yeah,
I appreciate you.
no problem.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
Buenos noches. It's very cool. So we saved those guys big time. They are so happy. Today's homework assignment is what? What are we doing for school? We're finding animals, identifying them, and learning about them, right? And we're in a tide pool.
Hermit crab.
Is that what you found?
Yes.
Do you want that to be your animal you researched today? I mean, come on, how cool is this as a day of school? What is that thing, Pierce?
I don't know.
Let me see him now. Oh, Hale got him.
That's cool.
Hale, tell me about yours.
Mine is called a warty sea slug. This is his environment. The brown is algae, and it eats off the algae. I found it on those rocks over there. It's really slimy if you like pick it up, it's slimy because it doesn't have it doesn't have a shell to protect it from animals. It puts out like a kind of toxic goo.
Right, like a creature power.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice job, Hale. Roly-polies at home, right?
What?
Look at this guy. He's huge.
See you later.
I don't know what that is. Can you tell me about your journal entry?
So we found this weird creature over there in the rocks.
Yeah?
And I just walked past it, and then Dad said he saw a weird creature and walked, and then I ran back. At Mill Valley, we raced to catch roly-polies, and it looked like a giant roly-poly.
Yeah, like a sea roly-poly. It's a pretty crazy creature, right?
You pull
He
him out.
is
He's
enormous!
as big as that rock.
He was big.
You pull him out. You gotta grab him.
Dad, there's a tentacle right there. Get it.
I tried. He won't come out.
There he is. You get it. If you want a picture of him, there he is.
Okay.
It's not him, but it's not.
Okay, Reese, tell me about your journal entry today.
This is a brittle star. We have not seen it yet. Its face is its butt, and its butt is its face. It has 5 arms, and it can lose 4.
Wow. Cool. Nice report. All right, Elizabeth, what have you found?
I don't know. He's super awesome, weird looking.
Trying to get video of
He's
him
a
in the water.
giant
He's
jellyfish. He actually looks like he's kind of glowing.
trying to film the beast. Ah! I don't know where he went. He's like the Loch Ness Monster. We can't get a good picture of him. Look at that thing. No, it's okay. Wow. That thing is huge.
That thing is ugly.
After 3 weeks, our new shrouds were ready, so we motored back to Panama City. All right, pin is out. We are just, Stephen's up on the mast, and we are replacing our shroud so we can leave Panama, finally. There's our issue right there. So you can see it's kind of cracked, and it's coming loose and untied. While it looked nice, the new one sent to us from Sailing Services in Miami would unfortunately prove defective. They only lasted 6 months, and both of them broke again. While the entire experience was frustrating, it was a good reminder that you need to regularly inspect your rig. Not doing so is how you lose your mast. All we had to do now was provision up, and then we'd set sail for the Galapagos. All this stuff is ours. It's insane. Okay, we did it. Look at the state of our boat, by the way. We have
It's a design.
laundry drying, because the dryers here don't dry, or wash really for that matter. It's my fabulous wife, who is an incredible woman, because look.
It's a design. This is not what our boat normally looks like. We'll show you some better pictures, but we went without washing clothes for 5 people for like a month, and so we had like every single thing dirty. And then we are grocery shopping now for 5 people for, I don't know, the foreseeable future. So,
Well, how much stuff did we get?
well, this is today's haul. I want to reiterate that I also made a haul yesterday,
Yep.
which was about maybe
Hold
half
on,
this
guys.
size. So
Yeah. So this is what $1,100 in Panama buys you. A little bit of rum, so it's not quite as big as you might expect, but that's a lot of food for 2 people and 3 kids to lug back,
Okay,
and
but-
then get onto your boat somehow.
yes, and that's why we did it, because we're at the dock right now. Pierce.
Everything in the store, we bought all the beans, all the risotto, all the tortillas, all the Cheerios, and what else? I mean, that's what we literally did buy.
stocked up
All
on
of
stuff,
it. Coffee, the staples, the things you may not,
Milk,
the things we know you won't
soy
find
milk.
in the Galapagos. So really, it's
salt and vinegar chips.
salt, vinegar chips.
You know, the basic food groups.
Seriously. Basically, you'll get very little stuff in the Galapagos to choose from. That's 5 days away, and we're there for 3 weeks. And then we're another 3 weeks across the Pacific, and then we land in the Marquesas, and there's nothing there. So this is kind of it for the next 2-3 months until we get to Tahiti. This is the last of civilization that we will find.
Yes, and
so
I would guess that this will last us about a week and a half.
I know. That's the scariest part of it all. All right, put it all away, honey. I'll make us a drink. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Make it a strong.
Maybe I'll help. Okay, wish us luck.
Too strong.
But you've done a pretty good job here packing the food in to the floor.
The granola bar to square inch ratio is kind of outstanding.
Okay,
to be
good.
honest.
Gotta love the storage capability of this boat. Looks like we got cereal, granola bars, more cereal. Looks like that's juice and wine and beer. And we've got engine oil, sorry for that. And then milk and rum. Not bad. Okay, we just left the fuel dock.
Hi.
Here's the
Galapagos are bust.
galley slave is at work.
Oh my god.
Taking off.
We are out of here. See you later, suckers.
Panama, it's too hot to even stand on the deck. But we're ready. We did it. Full diesel. See, we have about 175 gallons of diesel, I think. And it's about as max we can carry. And we are out. I think we'll be motoring most of the way. We're in the doldrums. But it's good to leave here, man. Panama has been fun, but we've been here too long. Had a few too many strange encounters. It's time to go. Couple of freighters, a beautiful city line, and we are so happy to see that behind us because it is time to go to the Galapagos. This is when it gets fun and serious. If we don't, you know, hit this guy. But big deal, I don't know if you can see me. It's kind of far away. Big deal, Galapagos, here we come. South Pacific. I'm excited. Are you guys as excited as I am?
Yeah, no.
Why not?
We're excited, we're excited.
Ooh, am I getting lunch?
Yes.
We're excited. Let's do this. Come on, wind.